Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the common issue of Windows 10 update freezes or becoming stuck. It can be frustrating, but worry not, as we have two solutions for you. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, click on Update and Security. From there, click on Troubleshoot and then Additional Troubleshooters. Look for Windows Update and select Run the Troubleshooter. This troubleshooter will help identify and resolve any problems causing Windows Update to get stuck. Hopefully, this will clear up the issue for you. Solution 2. Another method you can try is using System Restore. To access System Restore, simply type System Restore into the search bar and select Create a Restore Point. From the System Restore window, you can choose an appropriate restore point to revert to. Once you've returned to an earlier restore point, try installing the updates again as usual. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Windows 10 update freezes or becoming stuck. We hope these solutions have been helpful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.